Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. It is great honor to introduce a breakthrough innovation, our very own and innovative bifolding interface scanning tools using robust nucleonic gauge for early detection of interface level problems in horizontal vessels and pipelines, a BINTURONG scan. This is a non-destructive inspection equipment designed specifically to check the level of the materials like sand or liquid inside horizontal vessels while the plant is still running. We are the Plant Assessment Technology Group, part of the Malaysian Nuclear Agency and the Ministry of Science, Technology and Innovation. We are the government main inspection provider for the oil and gas industry, specializing in non-destructive testing and radioactive material applications. My name is Technologist Dr. Muhammad Amirul Shafiq, and together with my partner Norman Shah, we've been involved in inspection and R&D for over 10 years. Over time, we noticed a common problem: sand build up in vessels. It causes mechanical failures, forces shutdowns, and costs a lot of money in lost production. Plant owners want to see the sand level inside their vessels, but until now, there was no accurate or safe method available. All techniques like neutron bed scatter or thermography just don't cut it. They are surface level only, less accurate and outdated. Plus, there's no commercial tool today that can measure solid levels like sand or debris in horizontal vessels. That's why we developed the BINTURONG scan, a fast, accurate, and cost-effective tool for identifying material level inside vessels without stopping operations. The equipment uses gamma transmission technology. It holds a radioactive source and sensor tightly on the vessel and read the material density inside. It fast can scan a vessel in just one day. Portable, comes with telescopic design up to 4 meters. Accurate, give a clear profile of what's inside, and cost-effective for the plant operator. Compared to the old method, this new technique performs much better, more reliable, more accurate, and built for today's industrial challenges. We offer several scanning programs to meet different needs. Troubleshooting scan for detecting problems, schedule scan for routine checks, blank scan for new vessel, performance and reference scan to compare changes over time, and pre-shutdown scans to better plant maintenance. In Malaysia, there are over 10,000 vessels across 70 plants. If we serve just 70% of the market, that's just around 10 million ringgit in value annually, with a business model targeting 30,000 ringgit per services job and 15 job per year. That's a revenue of 450,000 ringgit annually just from local services. And globally, if we tap into just 25% of the 171 IAEA member states, the potential product sales could bring in 1 million ringgit. This is more just a scanner. It is a game changer for the oil and gas industry. A smart, reliable solution designed to keep plants running smoothly, safely, and profitably. Thank you.